question. My name is Itakai Kito.
What are you going to do today?
Say happy birthday, Apple. Say happy birthday, Apple.
Okay. Ready? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Apple. Happy
Bella.
birthday, Apple. Happy birthday, Apple. Happy birthday, Apple. May the dear Lord Apple. May the dear Lord Apple. May the dear Lord Apple. Happy birthday to you.
Nice. What do you say to Apu?
Thank you, Apple.
No, happy
I love you, Apple. I
Very-
love you, Apple.
and I miss you.
I miss you.
Okay, show your drawings for Apu. What does yours say, Bella?
Huh?
Yours says what? Happy.
Happy birthday to Apple.
Good. And Kai, what did you make?
Happy birthday to Apple.
Yeah, but what did you make for her? What did you draw?
Heart.
Yeah, and it says on.
Letters.
What does it say there?
It says Apple.
And what is the top?
Apple.
Love.
Love you.
Apple.
Happy birthday, Apple.
Okay, very good, guys. One
And
more
another
time.
one.
Let me see it. Oh, I'm sure Apple would love that. Okay, thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.